We're asked to answer a question about bridge jumping using polynomial and rational inequalities. So we're told that the practice of a person jumping from a high place harnessed to a flexible attachment was introduced to Western culture in 1979, and one parameter to know before attempting a bungee jump is the amount the cord will stretch at the bottom of the fall. You don't want to hit the ground too hard. The stiffness of the cord is related to the amount of stretch by the equation K equals 2 times W times S plus L over S squared, where W is the weight of the jumper in pounds, K is the cord's stiffness in pounds per foot,